Hello, I am Didi Sawant from JIT Arts Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon District, Nasik. The topic today is as a Ralagan Siddhi. So, as far as concerned to this Ralagan Siddhi, which comes in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra, and the credit goes to Sri Anna Sahib Hazare, a sorrow face of India from 1975, a Ralagan Siddhi which is developed. So the credit of water conservation work at Ralagan Siddhi in Ahmednagar district, which has been started by Sri Anna Hazare. He released to grave water shortage problem of his village and also along with the villagers made plans to restore water resources. So here the models of villages of India means Ralagan Siddhi, which is shown. The Ralagan Siddhi lies in rain shadow area which receives less than 40 centimeter of rainfall in 1975. There was a drought and there was an acute water scarcity. Hence, the village tank was unable to hold water as its embankment started leaking. Anna Sahib Hazare, with his several debates with the villagers, decided to bring water to his village with the help of traditional methods. So here, so as a building constructions means the watershed building construction among elders and youth people, they have started this abhiyan, and mostly the people from these villages were who were illiterate, and hence a liquor which was going on practice in this village, but they have stopped such actions, and they have taken the actions, and they have stopped these activities, and hence a now Ralegan is producing milk in plenty of quantity. So watershed reforms, the strategies. What those strategies were? Work began with the construction of percolation dam. Hazare encouraged the villagers to donate their labor to repair it. Once this was fixed, the 7 wells below filled with water in the summer for the first time in memory. In the last, there were no such wells. Yeah, management was there. So the area which was very drought, he had practiced the watershed management program, and hence the villagers also used a simple method of gully plugging. It is an ancient method of soil and water conservation. How to conserve the water, how to conserve the soil. The plugs are put in series one below the other and from top to bottom of the depressions. The gullies were formed due to flow of rainwater. To prevent soil erosion, barriers or plugs of different types of material are put across the gully at certain intervals, and due to this, results which came ahead, those were construction of plugs is done mainly with the help of locally available boulders. A dry stone masonry wall of the boulders is constructed across a gully. This wall allows water to flow through it, and hence the villagers contributed the man day per week, per family, per common works. So all the people from the villages were involved in this abhiyan, and they had contributed for the work to proceed ahead. So here the restrictions on cultivation of water intense which was done, and they have emphasized the production of cash crops as the availability of the water which was done, and through this a crops which can be planted, yeah, which can be grown. The analysis was done, and with this a plantation means the cash crops were planted in this region, and hence that will be benefited for the village also, for the people also. So the results which were coming ahead, and hence a dams were built, again nalas were constructed, and so the result of this method was extremely encouraging. Water behind the dam allows more time for water to percolate in the ground, and thus helping to recharge the groundwater. Means the uplands means as a hill stations, and on these hill stations, if suppose the soil will be there, a grass will be there, then and then only a water recharge will be there, a water will percolate into the soil, and then for a long the water availability will be there, and so recharge system of the groundwater table will be increased, and hence the Ralegan Siddhi, the rate of runoff of water is decreased, which shows that there is infiltration of water in the ground. The conservation programs provide water for agriculture, and hence the agriculture which was developed. Again, irrigation facilities were done, establishment of the water cooperatives were done, and in 1975 they have decided to plant the plants. 4 lakhs of trees were planted at that time. The agricultural department selected this village in 1980 to 83 for implementing such type of plan, and at that time the 47 check dams were built in 4 micro watershed areas, and hence the total water storage capacity of this area was covered 300 cubic meters approximately. The canal irrigation which are built up to a 3 kilometers long, which was 10 to 12 meter wide, and the depth of these dams were, canals were as a 2 to 3 meters, and hence a water rationing which was seen. So water is distributed calculating the quantity of water flow in hour, how much water which is required for the area which was calculated, and near about approximately 800 to 900 acre area can be covered within a 1 year, and hence such type of WCS means watershed characterized system which was uh, adopted, and hence the conservation program provide water for agriculture. Large areas in nearby areas have now a vegetation cover. Now there is a ample water in the wells for domestic use, for irrigation, and the areas near the village grow variety of food crops. and hence the vegetables and fruits nearby villages are following the footsteps of Ralegan Siddhi and are conserving their water resources. Nowadays also grazing of the animals are banned. Yeah, trees which were destroyed, yeah, deforested, those are also banned to not to cut these trees. And hence now World Bank group has concluded that the village is one of the richest in the country. Means in India, Ralegan Siddhi, which has been developed such type of water conservation program and efforts 25 years ago. By taking these efforts, this rural settlement has proved that it is possible to rebuild natural resources in partnership with the local economy and has become a model for the rest of the country. So, near about the contribution towards the watershed development program, 48.43% by people who were involved in this contribution. Jal Sansadan department had also cooperated to this 44.83%, and rural development department has also contributed to this 6.74%. So contribution towards the watershed development program which was seen, and hence the now this is one of the example to see that towards the Ralegan Siddhi, so that all should adopt such type of programs, accept such type of programs, and build the such type of management systems. So without water nobody can practice, yeah, nobody can solve the problems of agriculture. So for agriculture, what is very essential for drinking purpose, for animals also, there should be a, there should be a water, and hence availability of the water should be there. Mostly in summer seasons the water availability is very low, and hence all people who are who are not practicing such type of management should practice. Okay, thank you.